Do you aspire to be a successful student? Do you dream of achieving academic excellence? Well, success in academics, as in any other field, doesn't come by accident. It's a result of deliberate actions, strategies, and attitudes. Today, we'll delve into some practical tips to help you become a good student. Firstly, let's consider organization. Organization is key to keeping track of your academic progress. Keep a calendar or a planner where you write down important deadlines and dates. This way, you always know what's coming up and can prepare accordingly. Next, focus on the importance of being proactive. Proactivity refers to taking the initiative rather than waiting for things to happen. If you're struggling with a concept or a lesson, don't wait until the last moment to ask for help. Reach out to your teachers or classmates and get the assistance you need. Thirdly, develop good study habits. What works for one person might not work for another, so it's crucial to find out what works best for you. Some people learn better in a quiet environment, while others thrive in a more lively setting. Regardless of your preference, make sure to take regular breaks during your study sessions to avoid burnout. Fourthly, embrace a growth mindset. This means understanding that intelligence and skill can be developed. Instead of thinking, "I'm not good at this," think, "I'm not good at this yet." This shift in mindset can make a significant difference in your academic journey. Now, let's talk about the power of curiosity. Good students are naturally curious and always eager to learn more. So cultivate a sense of curiosity. Don't just learn to pass exams. Learn because you want to expand your knowledge and understand the world better. Lastly, remember that balance is crucial. While academics are important, they're not everything. Make time for hobbies, socializing, and self-care. A well-rounded individual is not only more balanced, but also tends to perform better academically. To summarize, becoming a good student involves being organized, proactive, and curious. It requires developing good study habits, embracing a growth mindset, and maintaining a balanced lifestyle. Remember, the journey to academic success is a marathon, not a sprint. So take it one step at a time, and before you know it, you'll be at the finish line, holding your diploma high with pride. So there you have it, some practical tips to help you become a good student. Implement these strategies and watch your academic performance soar. Remember, the journey to being a good student isn't always easy, but it's definitely worth it. Good luck on your academic journey.